Good day, viewers at home. This is another lesson on surds. This one is on conjugate of a binomial surd. When you have a binomial surd like 5 minus root 3, the conjugate of 5 minus root 3 is simply 5 plus root 3. All you have to do is just change the sign in the middle here. So 5 minus root 3 is 5 plus root 3. And the conjugate of this one will be 3 root 2 minus root 5. So whenever we are to simplify this kind of surd with this kind of denominator, then we will use the conjugate of the denominator to multiply both numerator and denominator. This will be 5 plus root 3 over root 6 minus root 2 multiplied by root 6 plus root 2 over root 6 plus root 2. So we can see now that the conjugate of this is just to change this minus to a positive sign. Now we multiply this binomial term by this other one. 5 times root 6 is 5 root 6. 5 multiplied by root 2 is 5 root 2. Root 3 multiplied by root 6 is root 18. And root 3 multiplied by root 2 is root 6 over. If you look at what we have in the denominator, this is root 6 minus root 2, and this is root 6 plus root 2. This reminds us of difference of two squares. That means I can simply write it as root 6 squared minus root 2 squared. This is 5 root 6 plus 5 root 2 plus, this is root 18. Out of this 18, there is a perfect square that will divide, which is 9. So that means I can express 18 as 9 times 2 plus root 6 over root 6 squared is 6 and root 2 squared is 2. We simply cancel out the root and the square. So root 6 squared is 6, root 2 squared is 2. Now let's simplify further. 5 root 6 plus root 2. This is square root of 9 is 3. That gives us 3 root 2 plus this is root 6 over 6 minus 2 is 4. So if you collect like terms and add up, 5 root 6 plus 1 root 6 will give us 6 root 6. This is 1 root 2 plus 3 root 2. That is 4 root 2 over 4. You can simplify this further because the coefficients 6, 4 have common factors with the denominator, which is 2. 2 can divide 6, it can divide 4, it can also divide this 4. So if I divide this 6 by 2, I have 3 root 6. If you divide 4 by 2, you have 2 root 2. And if you divide this 1 by 2, you also have 2. So with this now, we cannot simplify further because 2 and 3 don't have common factors. So we are going to leave our answers this way. Thank you.